after algebraic expressions, we have already done basics of algebra and the various operations on algebraic expressions, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So today's video is going to be about some special types related to these two operations, that is additions and subtractions. So let's get started. So before starting our today's topic, I'll just quickly ask you a simple question, that how much is 10 greater than 6? Now, if I'll ask you this question, your answer will be very quick, that is 4. Now, how you will get the answer 4? That is, you are given with the first number 10 and the second number is 6 and you are just subtracting them, right? So after subtracting them, you will get 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. So you are using this pattern, that is first number minus second number. So if I will change my statement that how much 10 exceeds 6, that means the same, right? So exceed means also greater, which is equals to first number minus second number. So now we will have the first example. So here is the first question. How much is c plus 2d greater than d minus c? Now this one is the first expression and this one is the second expression, because we are doing the sum in which they have asked us which one is the greater. So we will use the same pattern, that is first minus second. So the first expression we will write here c plus 2d, and you can see here with c no number is there, so you will put here 1, and the second number we will write them down, and you have to see that you have to write c under c. Now here minus c is written at the second place, so you will write here minus 1c and plus d under d, right? So with d no number is there, so you will put here 1 as well. Now students, because you are doing first minus second, we are doing the subtraction. So whenever we do the subtraction, we always use the lock and change, right? So we always use this method, that is lock and change. So after locking plus, it will change into minus, and after locking minus, it will change into plus. Now we will have plus 2 minus 1. It will be equals to plus minus sign of bigger term, subtract the number, so you will get plus 1 and d will remain the same, that is 1d. Next is plus 1c, with c no sign is there, so we will put the plus sign, right? So I have written here plus sign, plus 1c, and here again plus 1c. So plus sign of plus, add the number, so 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So here we got the answer, that is plus 2c plus 1d. Alright, now move to the next example. So let's read the second statement. How much does 5z square minus 3z plus z exceed z cube minus z square plus 2z minus 1? Right? Now what to do? Exceeds means same, that means greater. So we will follow the same pattern, that is first minus second, right? So we will write the first number here, that is 5z square minus 3z plus 2. So we have written the first expression here, right? Now second one is z cube minus z square plus 2z minus 1. So we have written it over here, z cube here and z square under z square, z under z, and number under a number, that means a constant. Now students, you can see that in the first expression no term is given to us with the cube sign. So we will write over here z cube, and along with it we will write the coefficient as 0, because no number is given, so we will write here 0 z cube. Alright, now we will start the solution from here. So because we are doing the subtraction, so we have to lock and change. When we will lock minus, it will change into plus, lock plus, it will change into minus, lock minus, it will change into plus, and lock plus, it will change into minus. Now plus 2 is there, plus 1 is there, plus 2 plus 1, it will be equals to plus 3. So we have written here. Next is minus 3 minus 2. Minus sign of minus, add the number, so we got here minus 5z. Next is plus 5 plus 1. Plus 5 plus 1, which is equals to plus 6. Right? So we will write here plus 6z squared. Next is minus 1 and 0. So 0 minus 1 is what? Minus. Right? So minus 1, we will write here minus 1 z cube. If you are writing only z cube, it's also okay. because if with any variable no coefficient is there, that means always there is 1. So we will write here minus 1z cube plus 6z square minus 5z plus 3. So here we got the answer. Alright. So students, these examples were very easy, and I hope now all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.